Montego Bay gangsters among 123 persons taken into custody.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
4 members of the Montego Bay-based G-City Gang are among 123 persons who have been taken into custody for processing during the first 24 hours of the state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division.
G-City, any other way are dirt. Dirty.
G-City, we not pretty.
That
No time, we not pretty. Hot drugs, you know.
Kill and collect.
Smoke and forget.
Alright,
Self-employed with a rifle and a handgun.
Remember me tell you. And all of my friends them are murderer. Cut it there.
According to the police, 27 of the 123 persons remain in custody, while the other 96 have been processed and released. Of the 27 persons in custody, 3 of the men are wanted for several offences to include simple larceny, shooting with intent, unlawful wounding, and assault occasioning actual bodily harm, stated law enforcement officers in a news release. Another 3 men were reportedly arrested for breaches of the Firearms Act following the seizure of a Glock Pistol with a magazine containing 10 rounds on the Bernard Lodge Main Road on Sunday. 2 others were arrested for breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. The identities of the men are being withheld pending further investigations. The public is also being reminded that it is an offence to harbour criminals and they may face prosecution. Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared the St. Catherine North Police Division a state of public emergency on Sunday, March 18, 2018.
State of public emergency has been declared in the St. Catherine North Police Division, effective Sunday, March 18th.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.